Very tasty and crispy Akki Roti recipe at home. Take 1 carrot, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 onion, 1 capsicum, coriander and 4 green chillies. Cut the onion into fine pieces as shown. Cut the capsicum. Peel the carrot and grate it. To a separate bowl, add coriander, chopped carrot, chopped onion, chopped capsicum. Add 1 cup of rice flour. Add the grated coconut. Add salt to taste. Mix them properly. Add water according to the consistency level. Mix it until it forms a dough like this. Like this. Now on your stove, place the tawa and put 1 spoon of oil. Spread it around the tawa. Take your dough and form a ball with it and place it on the tawa and press it until it forms a circular shape. Like this. Switch on your stove and place your tawa with the dough on it. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil. Close the tawa with a lid. After some time, open the tawa and flip your roti. As you can see, it's very tasty and very mouth-watering. Flip the roti. Your roti now is done. You are ready to serve the roti. Pair it with a side of mango pickle and ghee. It will be very tasty. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.